then is to take back your soul is in every moment of now. Don't bring that back into your now. Don't bring that future into the now that is coming from the past, and the past the future. Why? If every moment we make a fresh start, and in that moment, you are centered. And in that moment, you see, you tune in to you. And when you do this habitually and get into it, see, and what will happen, the mind will try to talk you out of it if you let it. And you got to watch that mind. And then you've got to control it. Put it in its place. See? So take back your soul. Act from who you really are. You know, let those stops go. And you know the courage that it takes to do that? But what's your option? You're an eternal being. And it's gotta be now. Take back your soul. Yeah. Make amends with it. Yeah. You got it. It's all there right with you. You're the best.